How to transfer cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Coinbase wallet. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to transfer cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Coinbase wallet. So first thing, you have to go ahead and copy the wallet address. So go ahead and click on the receive button, and here you need to go ahead and locate the address. So in my case I'm going to go with Ethereum. When you do that, it's going to show you the pop-up menu. So here you could go ahead and copy the wallet address, or you can scan the QR code, whichever is convenient for you. You could also go ahead and click on the copy button, and when you've copied cryptocurrency's address or the wallet address, exit out of your wallet and then go ahead and log in into your Coinbase account. So when you're logged into your Coinbase account, that's going to take you to the home page, and here you have to go to log in into your account. So basically you just have to go ahead and click the send button, and as you click on the send button, here you need to go ahead and enter in or select the asset that you wish to send. And when you've done that, you will be able to see the page where you have to go ahead and paste in the wallet address, or you just need to scan the QR code. When you've done that, enter in the exact amount that you wish to transfer, and go through all of the necessary details and all, and you can confirm it by tapping the confirm button, and then you'll have successfully transferred cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Coinbase wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.